People are wondering about Laundrie's parents. Should the police be looking at them for any reason?
So we need to separate the moral from the legal, right? I mean, John has shared the views that I think that many in this country have about this case and the emotion associated with this case and the sort of common sense approach that one would expect. Now let's talk about the law. If you're going to charge the parents, you can't just charge them for not cooperating. You can't charge them for not being particularly helpful. You would need to find some level of obstruction of justice. You would need to find that they actually told the police something that wasn't true in an effort to obstruct the investigation. Now, this is where the fact that the parents didn't cooperate actually helps them, right? Because they didn't say a lot that can now be used against them in potential charges. So it's very different to say the parents should have done X, Y, and Z, as I did previously on this show, versus saying the parents should be charged with a crime.
So not answering a question is not a crime unless they know where he is?
No, they can still not answer the crime. They can still not answer questions, even if they know where he is. What they can't do is say, oh, you know what, you should go to this park. Why don't you go over to this park and check it out? We found his car over there.
But
and it turns out that that's not the reason. If it turns out that's not the reason at all, so the cops are in the wrong place.
But if they know where he is, why isn't that obstruction?
Because they have no obligation to disclose that. Meaning, if they know where he is and say he's somewhere else in an effort to obstruct the investigation, now you've crossed the legal line.